Hi guys and welcome back to GSM ABC, and today we will find out if Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 is truly waterproof. Here I have the classic model and we will do 3 tests. One in the shower, one in a bowl of water, and the last one we will keep it for 20 minutes under the water. Stay tuned till the end to find out the results. Without further ado, let's dive right in. You should make sure that the water lock is on, or else the watch will behave like this. To enable water lock, drag from the top, swipe to the right and click on this button. Now the screen will behave as normal, but it's locked. Fortunately, the watch is resistant here in the shower, and you also can rotate the bezel to access all the functions. If you want to deactivate the water lock, you simply press on the home button, wait for the speakers to clear out the water, and then you're done. In the second phase, here we have the watch. If you want to submerge it, you don't have to activate the water lock. As you can see, the watch still works under the water. And if you bring it up, it works just fine. You can scroll down freely, you can even swipe, and even go to settings. The watch doesn't have the slightest problem with some water on it. Now let's go to the last stage, 25 minutes under the water. To make sure that the watch works properly, activate the water lock, and we will put the watch under the water. We will leave it like that for about 25 minutes. As you can see here, the watch works perfectly underwater, the bezel still do its job, and we will let it sit for the whole duration. See you in a bit. After 25 minutes, the watch is perfectly fine, still works as you can see, and the bezel as well. Let's see how it looks. As you can see, I didn't deactivate the water lock, press on the home button and wait for the speakers to clean. To make sure, you can even shake the watch for the remaining water to get out the watch. It is still in perfect condition, no lag, the touchscreen works perfectly, and I assure you, you can safely get in the shower with it or even go to swimming. The watch passed all the 3 tests. That means it's a truly waterproof watch, and I will recommend it for you for any activity that involves water. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell us in the comments what test you want to see next time.